Okay, so after uploading this new sketch with the new code into the Arduino, now we know that we can go into the test button and click on that only once every time without holding this button. Clicking each time it will switch the LED on and off. Okay, that's a behavior that user will expect usually while pushing a push button. So the software for handling this switch debouncing, it's going to be useful for any project that you are going to use today or in the future. That's all for this step number 1. We learned a few things that are important: how to send digital output into LED device, how to connect those LED using resistor, how to read digital input from an external component like this push button, and how to handle some mechanical limitation of a push button like the switch debounce, and handle that in a very nice way using a software. And that's all for this step, and let's move into the next step, adding more analog capability into our project.